Hello, dear student, how are you? I hope that all are well. This is online class from Rampur High School. I hope that all the students prepared yourself for watching our online class and take your textbook, notebook and pen for writing some important points or topics for your better preparation. Okay, thank you very much. Dear student, my introduction, Mohammad Kabir Hossain Sarkar, head teacher, subject English, Rampur High School, Hajiganj, Chatpur. This is topic for class 8, English first paper. Dear student, have you seen some pictures on the screen? You can think or imagine what do they do in the picture and what type of picture and what is the purpose of this picture and what are they doing. So you can imagine within 2 minutes. Okay, thank you very much. Dear student, do you know they are tree lovers? They are tree lovers. Okay, that means these persons can very or gradually they can love trees. Okay, thank you very much. So our today's lesson is a man who loves trees, unit 5, lesson 4. Dear student, do you know this person? Have you seen him before? Let us introduce with him. His name is Kartik Pramanik, father Suren Pramanik, mother Subhash Bala, village Tarapur, Upazila Shibganj, district Chapainababganj, birth 1942, profession hairdresser, passion planting trees, quantity of plants more than 100, identity nature lover. Dear student, have you understood who is he? He is Kartik Pramanik, he is tree lover. Thank you very much. Let's discuss some new words or vocabulary. Dear student, you can write some words. One of them is profession. Profession means, do you know these pictures? The picture, he is a hairdresser. Profession meaning occupation, job or business. Kartik Pramanik is a hairdresser by profession. This means profession, elaborate meaning, occupation, job or business. Next word, sapling. This is sapling. Okay, what do you mean by sapling? Sapling meanings seedlings, plantlet or spee. And Kartik used to plant sapling. Next word, mission. That means target. Mission means, do you know this picture? They are running. They have to reach a target destination. That is mission, meaning duty, operation, target. No vision is succeeded without a mission. Do you know this picture? Have you ever seen this picture? It's a tree. It's a tree. Gigantic. That means gigantic. What do you mean by gigantic? It's a large. Do you know this picture? It's a gigantic tree. Gigantic means huge, massive, large. What a gigantic tree it is. Passion. Do you know meaning the passion? That means this picture, from this picture we can imagine what is passion. A bird and his pig, and a father is affectioning his children. That means it is passion. Meaning desire, love, appetite. Passion means. These are the symbol of heavenly passion. Dear student, let's take your textbook. Let us have a tour to the farthest corner of Bangladesh, so that you can imagine where the village of Kartik Pramanik. This is a map of Shibganj, that means district of Chapai-Nawabganj. Here the birthplace of Kartik Pramanik. This Kartik Pramanik is planting a large number of trees. He can plant and take care of them every day. This is Tarapur. Kartik Pramanik lives in this village. Before 72 years, Tarapur was like this place, and present Tarapur, green Tarapur. Before, without tree, and present, green Tarapur. This is the difference between two. These are the two pictures. No shade. Kartik would get tired in the scorching sun like this picture. Do you imagine what kind of picture? So he began planting trees. His tree planting mission at the age of 10. When he was 10 years old, he started planting trees. Let us know the rest of the story by silent reading. Dear student, take your textbook and read all the text silently within few minutes. Then I will discuss another topics. And this is online class. I hope that all the students take your textbook and read the topics text silently after completing my online class, and you can gauge all the meaning. Thank you very much. Dear student, true or false? If false, give the correct answer, information. You can write or to you on your notebook which one is false and which one is true. He planted the first tree 50 years ago. You can identify which one is true or false. It's true. Next one, Kartik borrowed money from others to plant trees. It's false. not from others. He would plant trees around his heart only. It's false. He would plant trees around all the roadsides. Next, 4. At times, Kartik would water his trees at night because he felt lazy during daytime. It's true. Due to he works all the night to plant trees. Dear student, you can find out it's your home tasks. When you get any time, you can practice any kinds of true or false from your textbook. Thank you. Next, choose the best answer. Kartik was dash by profession. There are 4 options here: cultivator, tree planter, by day laborer, hairdresser. Kartik was a hairdresser by profession. It's a correct answer from 4 options. Okay, next. His mission is to make the village green by 4 options: cultivating paddy in his field, growing grass, all the fallow land, planting fodder for the cattle, planting many trees. Correct answer is planting many trees. Next, some of Kartik trees are big and 4 options: great, gigantic, enormous, kingly. Correct answer gigantic. Next, some of his trees are dash years old. 4 options: 15 to 20, B 25 to 35, C 35 to 40, D 40. Correct answer is 35 to 40 years old. Dear student, this homework, I hope that you can write on your notebook for writing homework. Read the text again and answer the following questions. Who is Kartik Pramanik? Number 2, how do you understand that he is a nature lover? Why did he plant trees? What do you understand by the saying, a man who can hardly sign his name is leaving his signature all around in nature? Dear student, I hope that you can complete your home tasks. After completing your writing home tasks, when you can get rid of corona pandemic, you can complete the home tasks. So you can contact your subject teacher and correct your answer for better preparation. Dear student, I hope that you can solve all the questions and you can solve your any difficulties to contact your subject teacher to maintain social distancing. Thank you very much. I hope all the students maintain discipline and save yourself and stay home. Plant trees, save the environment. Let's plant tree and save the environment. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.